Are you struggling with your skin despite using good products? The problem might not be the products, but your daily habits. Here are 7 common habits that secretly damage your skin every day. Let's fix them together. 1. Washing your face with hot water. Hot water strips your skin's natural oils and weakens its barrier. Use lukewarm water instead to keep your skin hydrated. 2. Sleeping without cleansing your skin. Your skin regenerates at night, but if it's dirty, breakouts happen. Even if you're tired, cleanse your face before bed. 3. Touching your face constantly. Your hands carry bacteria from phones, doors, and desks. Touching your face, bald, acne, clogged pores, and redness. Stop unless your hands are clean. 4. Using the wrong products for your skin type. Just because a product is trendy doesn't mean it suits you. Know your skin type and choose accordingly. 5. Not changing your pillowcase regularly. Pillowcases collect oil, sweat, and dead skin. Change them every 2-3 days to avoid bacteria buildup. 6. Over-exfoliating. Too much exfoliation can damage your skin's protective barrier. 2 times a week is enough, and be gentle. 7. Skipping sunscreen. Even in winter, UV rays are present even on cloudy days. Use sunscreen daily to protect your skin from dark spots and aging. Final thoughts. These small habits can make a big difference. Try changing just one and see your skin improve in 2 weeks. Comment below which one surprised you most.